door. Call it what you want, I'm done. Your bag's in front, and you always thought you had it all. Believe me when I say you couldn't be more wrong. But I'm already through with you, tired of this same old view. I think it's time for me to let you know. Lost your mind to leave me behind. I'm one of a kind. I'll have another guy in a minute. Now don't come knocking at my door and don't hit my phone, yeah. Go somewhere else with your remorse. I already moved on. Did you think that you could